Seeing monsters at your window.
So hey guys, going by the title itself, I got the Google Mini Home at 499 rupees, which was originally priced at 5000 rupees from Flipkart itself. But firstly, here is a big shout out to the Flipkart who cancelled my previous order with no reasons at all. So I got this at the 499 rupees, so you can try getting at 499 rupees till 25th Feb. I'll show you a quick unboxing video, and obviously you know all the box contents and all, but still I'll show you the 3 minutes video of unboxing itself, and I'll tell you the trick and how to buy or get that coupon code at 12 a.m. tonight. So you can try this trick till the 25th February. So make sure to follow that trick to get the coupon code. So after this unboxing video, I will tell you the trick. So hey guys, I bought the Google Mini Home at 499 rupees, as you already know. So let's just do the quick unboxing. You may have known the box contents already, so still just unbox it. So these are the details, and this one is the Google Mini Home box. You can get these services for free, like for 6 months Spotify and all. And these are the specifications of this Google Mini. As you can see, the price is 5000 rupees, and I will share you the trick of buying this Google Mini for 499 rupees. So this trick is available till I think for maybe 25th Feb, so you can try till there.
We will face it, standing side by side.
Just let's see what's in the box actually. These are some manuals to get you started. I'll just keep it here. And this is the charger, so you will have to connect it whenever you want to use, and just keep it aside. So that's it. That was all in the box. This is the Google Mini box, and I will connect it with my mobile smartphone right now, and I'll create a hotspot or something else, and I will connect it with the Bluetooth. So guys, I have connected the Google Home Mini to the Bluetooth, and I'll just enable the Bluetooth and connect to the Google Home Mini, and it will get connected. I'll show you the audio. So let me play just another NCS song. So personally, I like the audio quality of the Google Home Mini. So if you are going to listen the music, you will get a pleasant experience. So I know that was a crap unboxing, and maybe you don't like it or not. So moving towards the trick, and before moving to the trick, you can do many things with the Google Mini, like all the things you can do with the Android Assistant app itself, like turning on and off TV and turning and controlling your smart home devices. And also, if you want to fun, you can do this.
Alexa.
Hey Google.
So anyway, moving towards the trick. So basically you have to just go to the Google Assistant and type Google Home Mini game, and it will show you 4 or 3 tasks. If you are new, it will show you 4 tasks, and if you are an existing user or trying it again, it will show you up to 3 tasks. You have to complete all the tasks except one. So make sure to remain or complete all the other tasks except one. So you have to complete this last task at 11:58 and 30 seconds. So suppose if you have a task like know a meaning of any word, so you can say tell me a meaning of any word at exactly at 11:58:28 seconds. So the task will be completed, and I think almost at 11:58:45 or 50 seconds. So after completing that task, just close the Google Assistant and open it again and type Google Home Mini game. Don't voice chat, just type Google Home Mini game and press enter at 11:59 and 56 seconds. So why I am saying to like enter the Google Home Mini game at 56 seconds? So basically it will take about 2 to 3 seconds for processing or searching the result. So make sure to hit the enter by typing Google Home Mini Game at 11:59:56 seconds. So the command will be exactly entered at 12 a.m. and the coupon will be in your account. So you can use it on the Flipkart to buy the Google Home Mini at 499 rupees. If you can see the image, you can check this steps itself. I will write them down in the description below if you want to check it again. So if you get the Google Mini by using this trick, don't forget to comment in the comment box below and hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video.